Hey, this is Matt at Port City. I'm going to be TIG welding this rear bumper arm. I just did some aluminum ones. This is standard 1020 mild steel. I got my 80 SD2 rod, my red thoriated tungsten. I'm going to be using my foot pedal to control the power. I'm on DC negative and I'm running, 30 argon. It's pure argon. You can get away with helium. I'm going to turn my gas on right there. And I'm going to use the foot pedal to start welding. I'm going to let my gas cool that a second, post-purge. And what I do is my foot pedal is doing this like a drummer. As I'm stabbing my rod, advancing my power, it's just kind of like a little bit of a rock and roll thing. All right, we're halfway there. And there you have it, one rear Gen 6 bumper arm.